49, there's my serial number. Here's what I've been finding on these. Mega ice. That's on these ones here.
How you doing, dude?
Yeah, I'm doing good, Geraldo. How are you?
Good. A little tired from the weekend.
Let's see if we can get a manual defrost going.
They told me that last time you came in, you told them it might be the thermostat or something?
Yeah, the controller.
The controller, okay.
It has thermistors in here that are supposed to see that coil get icy. It's supposed to make it go in the defrost. Every time I put it in a manual defrost, it'll defrost, so it's not going in by itself automatically.
Oh, okay.
So let's see what we can come up with here. The phase right here. And then that's our relay pack that the thermistors go into, and all that fun stuff for defrost and whatnot. And let me find my defrost heaters. And then we'll check it for amp draw. Alright, so there's my defrost heater, 7.75 amps, which is about right for the trues. And this one here should be my frame heater. Yeah, 0.4 amps. My door frame heater. So it's just not going into defrost by itself. Which usually ends up being a thermistor, the evaporator thermistor. You got your air thermistor right here. Evap thermistor and then auxiliary. Okay, that one there, the customer's over that freezer. It's had nothing but problems. He wants me to rip out all that digital stuff, just put a mechanical time clock and a thermostat in there. I'll probably use a Ranco ETC thermostat with a relay, because there's no wires up in the evaporator to put a mechanical thermostat. But I could do it all from below. I'll get those parts together and I will continue this video and I'll show you how we do that. It should be pretty interesting for you new guys. We'll rip out the electronic garbage and we'll put in some mechanical old school and get that guy a decent freezer. He only needs that freezer at 20 degrees for his meat, and he's just he's had nothing but problems with that thing, so he's over it. So stay tuned for that.